Hello everyone, this is Samreen. I have secured All India Rank 6 in JRF Entomology 2021 exam. I have graduated from Professor Jayashankar Telangana State Agricultural University from Agricultural College, Palem. I would like to thank Agricos World for giving me this opportunity. First of all, I would like to thank God Almighty, my parents, professors of Agricultural College, Palem, and Associate Dean Madam for increasing and developing interest in entomology subject. I would especially thank Rajashekhar sir for guiding me and motivating me and supporting me throughout this journey. Without them, it won't it would not be possible for me to crack this exam. First of all, choose the JRF subject based upon your interest and then know your syllabus and then read the most important books. When coming to JRF entomology exam, it includes three major subjects like entomology, nematology, and then general agriculture. For entomology, it includes the most important books like Insecta, Insecta 2. These two books are written by TNAU authors. In Insecta 1, it includes morphology, physiology and taxonomy. For additional information on insect physiology, you can refer Pant and Ghai book. And in Insecta 2, it includes beneficial insect part and IPM portion, in toxicology portion. It's very well written, and these two books will help you to know the basic aspects of entomology. And then when coming to applied entomology book, which is written by DS Reddy, it includes crop pest, beneficial insects, toxicology and IPM portion. And for beneficial insects, you can also refer Elements of Economic Entomology, which is written by B. Vasantaraj David. If you have enough time, you can also refer toxicology portion from this triple E book. And if you have enough time, you can also refer Angrove notes. Otherwise, Insecta 1 and Insecta 2 are enough for developing basic idea in entomology. For revising the whole entomology portion, you can refer Entomology Treatise, which is written by T.V. Prasad, and Entomology Refresher, which is written by C.P. Viji. In this, you can skip chromatographic techniques. These are not needed for JRF level. Remaining portion, you can refer this entomology refresher book. And when coming to entomology objectives, first book is TV Prasad and second one Shravan M. Haldar, third book is Sai Prasad and fourth one is Vinayaka KS. These four are most important objective books. And then when coming to nematology, the most important book is Introductory Plant Nematology, which is written by Bajaj and Walia. And for revising the whole Bajaj and Walia book, you can refer Nematology Refresher. In Nematology Refresher, information is given in the form of tables, charts and bullet points. Here some exceptional portion is included in taxonomy, which is very important for JRF level and as well as SRF level. And for nematology objectives, you can refer Manjunatha book. And when coming to the most important part, that is general agriculture. For general agriculture, if you start your preparation early, then You have to read your college materials very well, because as general agriculture is very vast, um, so you have to prepare general agriculture portion very well. I have referred competitive book of agriculture written by Nimra Sunda. In this um, extension, uh, agronomy, soil science, physiology, and genetics, pathology, entomology, and nematology, you can read in this book. And you can skip agricultural economics and livestock portion, because these two are not included in the general agriculture syllabus. So if you have ample amount of time, you can also refer Arun Katyayan volume 1 and volume 2. I have referred this book for agronomy, soil science, physiology portion, and for statistics I have referred Roop Singh Maitri book. In this uh, statistics is very well written. And for doing objectives, I have referred SR Kantwa book. In this, agronomy, soil science, physiology, genetics, pathology, uh, seed technology, entomology, um, I have referred from this book. And for, as entomology includes memorizing portion, you have to do revision as many times as possible, and do group discussions with your friends, those who are preparing for the same subject group, as well as friends with who are preparing for other JRF subjects, so that we can develop uh, our basic strong and boost up our preparation. And you have to do mock test from different platforms, because mock test help to know the strengths and weaknesses. So do mock test as much as possible, and don't get demotivated whenever you score less in those mock tests, because these help to know your strengths and weakness. So uh, revise as much as you can, and give equal importance to general agriculture, entomology, as well as nematology. And prepare well and do your best. Believe in yourself, stay motivated, and all the best for your upcoming exam. Once again, I thank Agricos World for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.